Hello everyone and welcome to my backyard. It's early November and the temperature is dropping, especially during the nights when we might have freezing temperatures. So to help the small birds that stay the winter in Sweden, I will now start to put up bird feeders here in my backyard. This will help some birds to survive the winter a little easier, and it will give me good opportunities to take photos and videos of the different birds. So I was at my local shop and bought 3 different bird feeders. One is for seeds like sunflower seeds, and I got 2 of this model. I think this one will be the most popular feeders for the birds. The other feeders is for nuts, and the last one is for tallow balls. I will use this tree in the end of the garden, and I will try to hang the feeders in different heights to make the best view for me when I sit on my porch with my camera.